Conformity and Obedience. What is conformity, you might ask yourself? Well, you see, conformity is the tendency to imitate others' gestures, posture, and even language sometimes. What are some reasons for conformity? First off, we feel like conformity increases our connection with people, and it causes interactions to flow more smoothly. There are two main causes of conformity. The first one is normative social influence, and the second is informational social influence. First, let's take a look at normative social influence. Normative social influence occurs when a person is concerned about fitting in and being accepted. Since they're so worried about this, they mimic the actions of the people around them. The second cause for conformity stems from the informational social influence, which results when a person does not know how to behave, so they look to others and mimic the behavior of the people around them. Obedience. Obedience is responding to an order or command from a person who is in position or authority. Stanley Milgram was a famous experimenter who tested just how obedient people will be when they're told to do something by an authority figure. There were three primary individuals involved in the Milgram experiments. First, there was a person who was running the experiment. There was also a second person who was the subject of the experiment. This person was being tested on their obedience to the person who was running the experiment. And lastly, there was an actor who was pretending to be electrically shocked behind a wall by the subject. As the subject continued to administer shocks, the actor behind the wall began to scream in pain. Although all of the subjects were extremely uncomfortable by this and wished to stop at some point during the experiment, they were told by the experimenter to continue administering shocks. 65% of the subjects were obedient and did what they were told.